may have seen all these videos on YouTube. How to get your first 1,000 subscribers by Think Media, Make Money Matt, vidIQ. They're all wonderful, but there's more to the story than this. If we look here on the right-hand side, I have 4 main channels with over 1,000 subscribers, 460,000 subscribers, 6,000 subscribers, over 3,000 subscribers, and this one you're watching here, over 14,000 subscribers, and they are all in very different niches. Now, I love Think Media. I think they're absolutely amazing. One thing that they often preach, though, is that you need to show your face on your thumbnails. And they will tell you that having faces on your thumbnails will get higher clicks. But is that really true? At the end, I'm going to share with you a mind-blowing secret that you're going to want to pay attention to. Let's go to Think Media, let's go to Sort By, and let's go to Most Popular. What are my most popular videos? Okay, there's some faces here. Here's a no face. Here's a no face. Here's a no face. These have all over 1 million views, by the way. Here's a no face. Over 1 million views created just 2 years ago. We all know vidIQ. Rob is amazing. Let's go by Sort By. Let's go to Most Popular. Oh, no face. Most popular video, 6.7 million views. No face, no face. Up again, no face, no face, no face, no face. How about Film Booth? You may have seen some of his videos, most popular. This one here, just 6 months ago, no face, no face, and again, no face. This one was just 2 months ago. Gillian Perkins, no face, 2 years ago, one of her most viral videos, how to start a YouTube channel with your phone. Thumbs up if you've heard before that you need to have your face on your thumbnail in order to grow faster, get a 1,000 subscribers, so on and so forth. Now, here's my largest channel so far. You can see I do not show my face whatsoever. In fact, I don't even show my face on camera. Let's go Sort By. Let's go by Most Popular. Yep, all faceless. Now, is Think Media incorrect in the analysis? Not necessarily, but here's what I want you to remember. I want you to experiment like crazy. Do some thumbnails with your face and without. Give it 3 months and then decide by looking at your analytics. And here's what I want you to remember above all else when it comes to growing your YouTube channel. Actions speak louder than words. And what I mean by this is when YouTube growth channels are telling you how to grow your YouTube channel faster, what makes more sense is to actually watch their actions and see what they do. It's not the words that they are telling you. So if a YouTube channel is telling you that you need to show your face on your thumbnail in order to get 1,000 subscribers and grow faster, actually look at their most popular videos and see if that's the case. Now, if you're looking to quit your full-time job like I did, have complete freedom of your life, financial, and time, click this video on screen now, 6 proven ways to make money with YouTube. Thumbs up, subscribe, and I will see my friend in the next one.